Welcome to the Bacon Lowdown. Today we are going to use Chloe's Vegan Italian Kitchen cookbook, and we're going to make what's called olive oil pancakes. But we're not going to use olive oil.
We're going to use maple syrup instead.
That's an option. So we're going to go with the maple syrup. Simple ingredients, only about 4 to make the batter, and then your 5th is your maple syrup to top it. So let's get started. We're going to be doubling this recipe because the recipe only makes 2 to 3 pancakes. So doubling up 2 cups of flour, and we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1.5 cups of water. Mix it all up, and that's your batter. Now we're going to pour 1.5 cups of water.
So good.